Revolver by Dare Armor is a hard aluminum roll top cover that easily rolls with one-hand operation and allows to every inch of the truck bed without blocking your rear window. This cover does it all with unrivaled strength and security and style. The Revolver comes with one pair of rails, the roll top assembly, and rubber seal kit. To install the Revolver, you will be needing number 13 size wrench or socket, number 5 size Allen wrench, and scissors or cutter. Clean the front portion of the bed rail with alcohol to promote adhesion of the seal. Install the rubber seal on top of the bed rail. If the truck does have a drop-in bed liner, install the rubber seal on top of the bed liner. Position the rail all the way forward towards the cab of the vehicle. Position clamp as close to the end of the rail as possible. Should be less than 12 inches from the end. Make sure the rail is clamped securely. Apply downward pressure to the rail when tightening the clamp to ensure the rail sets flush and seals properly. Place the second clamp near the center of the rail. Install the rear clamp as close to the tailgate as possible. It should be less than 12 inches from the tailgate. Check all clamps are square and tight. Repeat the process on the opposite side with both rail and clamps. With both rails and clamps in place, rest the roll top on the rails at the tailgate. Roll forward into the opening and remove and discard all packaging materials. At the front cab, fold the cover back and insert 2 mounting bolts through the keyed slots. Repeat on the opposite side. Install mounting bolts loosely underneath the slotted bracket on the rail. Start the rubber washer, then the large flat washer, then finally add the nylon lock nuts. Leave the knot loose for now. Check to make sure that the roll top fits correctly between the rails. Roll the cover from front to back and back to front to verify it rolls freely on the rails. Align the front vinyl edge of the cover with front edge of the Revolver rails. Check to see that the latches at the tailgate fully engage and make properly contact with the side rail. Tighten the nylon lock nuts at the front to secure the cover. Then, install the 2 straps on both sides.